玩上喽。
From dusk to dawn, I'm already gone. Paper chasing on my mind till the early morning. No time to play with your heart, baby, that's a fact. I'm stuck in the trap, trying to get these back.
Hey, you been down there, Paul? Have you been down there? You can't ride a bike down there though, huh? Yeah. Ôi, đâu đi nó có không?
Tell it down for yours if you're down for mine. Party lights, I'm just trying to survive these long nights. Pretty on now.
Che sao luôn. Cho bé bị tát. Cho bé bị tát sao? Hey, cái tay quay. Chứ sao nữa? Đấy chị cái Là chưa? 너 뭐 어떻게 넣어? 야. Yeah, that's alright up there. Yeah. Try to save my battery, man. Cứ đâu có nó không thấy phải. Yeah, go like, I'll be taking by the Which is long. I feel like it's still too fast. Yeah, wait, they get so far. Yeah, I get my thing right now. Hey, you went through that university? Oh. That's how we can play Pokemon Go over there. Oh, yeah? Yeah, that's pretty cool. What? Yeah. Y'all used to go hang out with? Yeah, that's just... I feel like if you're a student, it's just pretty fun, man. Dude, don't just remind you like Harry Potter or something? Never? They, you know, like, they go to school, right? And they have these big buildings close to each other. They have their own team. It's kind of similar to that. Oh, okay. Yeah. If you ever watch it. Yeah, the turkey lock go on. Yo. So, the place that you went to yesterday, do they have a trail or? Yeah, oh, is it the state trail? Like how far from your house to the state trail? Oh, that's not bad. Not bad. Yeah, we should. You think we should take a trail, like a shortcut to Stillwater from the state trail? Because from your house, you think that's too far, dude? You sure? From your house? Yeah. State trail. That's not like 50 miles. Because based on halfway. Because I think about like going across the bridge. Going across the bridge, go to the other bridge. 40, y'all. No, dude? Oh, yeah, that's true. We always go like shopping there. Yeah, we go to the, have you been to the antique store? Yeah, we go there like once in a blue moon. Yeah. Nope. What? Oh. Like over at the water? Yeah. They have a gondola too? Yeah. I've never seen that. I want to ride it. Oh, yeah. Those ferries? Oh, no. Yeah. You got the guy in the back. Is it like a pedal boat or what? Oh. I never noticed that. Man, I can't wait to be under the shade. Yeah. Fuck, dude. I'm allergic to the sun. I get like really bad like sunburn, and it turns into a rash. Yeah, I don't know why, dude. I used to be from Cali, I used to get tan, but I guess I lived there too long. Yeah. If I stay in the sun too long, I get some sun rash. Just not too much, right? Yeah, that's true. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So before you went outside? Yeah. Yeah, I threw my money tree outside. It wasn't even that hot. Well, like, I have shades. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's like part sunny and then part shade. Yeah. I can come out there before I come there too. Man, that's one thing. That's why I don't. She goes out. Too much work. You guys want to do your pit stop or? You don't want something? Anybody want anything? Oh, no, I'm good, man. Feels good right here. Hey, do you feel like we're pressuring you? I don't feel like that, so we just tag along. Shit, I can't wait until we get to Minneapolis, dude. Get a little. Hopefully that beer over there. Yeah. I want like a Coors Light or some shit. Big shot. You need a boost, bro? You need a boost? ¿Cómo que no puedes take out como huh? Dude, next time we should go to St. Paul, like towards those trails at Lindale or like downtown St. Paul. Yeah, do you know those trails over there or no? Oh. Man, I need to go check it out. But did you say that the road we always take goes all the way to St. Paul, right? Yeah. I think you gotta do that. Bro, if you ever get it, you might just do that. Oh shit. Dude, we didn't even come over here last time. It's like, shut the hell up. I don't even remember that. That was a block away. I forgot. I got that on camera. I got that on camera. Hey, should we go all the way up there? Or no? We got the tower right now. Looking at downtown Minneapolis. Have you come over here? Yeah, we need to take a picture over here. We need to take a picture over here, dude. Don't shout. I'm gonna take a picture. I didn't know you know how to play piano, bro.
No, I don't. Oh yeah? You wanna hear something again?
Yeah, I want to hear it. Nice and sunny in the middle of summer of 2026 in Minnesota. We chilling with the e-bikes and a BMX. Elon's got a BMX e-bike. Bone's got a BMX. We got e-bikes. Yeah, good to fucking on. Show you some get bro. Yeah, I should fix my handlebar. What's that? How come they didn't beat it up? Oh, the motor tire. Good tire. These houses look different from each other. Right there, right? Yeah, you still remember? Oh yeah, we came from here last time. We came here and then we went back to the house right there. Oh shit. Where's going? Oh shit! I was like, what the hell is going on? Took him up between too long. Oh, you don't know that's a walking side. Yeah, I done a good job. Yeah, you're going fast. I look for that shot. Fall behind. Yeah, my battery's still full bar. Yeah, that's bar already. Hey, try pedal sometimes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Try pedal if you can, dude. You gotta go like 1 per bit. It's actually good for your health, Elon. That makes this thing work. Shit, dog, dude. We try to catch up. When I turn off the e-bike, I can't even paddle this bike. It's so heavy. Yeah. I could, but not for long. Yeah. What's that? You sure? It looks like it's more cooler at all. Like yeah, it's more shaded. Yeah. Or is it just because it's too hot? I'm trying to way home. Another sunny day in Minnesota. It's been sunny for all day though. I feel like I'm not gonna say anything. Was it down here? Oh, yeah, it's like shit, that's alright. Only my past me, right? And then we have to go secure the movement down. I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's down there. Is there a waterfall down there? I've never been down there. Yeah. Shit, imagine if we were going like 20 miles per hour, dude. It's fly off. Yeah. It'd be like chilling, dude. We're only going 10. I guess you were right. We're going 10. Yeah, but very tough shot here, well. Yeah. It's all good, man. At least 50 shots going. What's that? Apple? Dead leaves? Yeah, it's a big bump. I think bumped up all. You sure you didn't fart it, fool? That's not strong in my butt. We're almost there. Yeah, what? Hello. Hello. 야, 이게 댄스? 어? 아니야, 내 너야. 쟤, 누가 쟤야? 어, 쟤 내가 생각하거든. 아니, 쟤 너의 쟤. 좋아, 이거 맞다. 이리 와, 뭐만 때문에 그래, 뭐만 좀 해봐. Beautiful. I gotta check it out, man. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. I know, but you almost did. Did I do that or did you do that? Yeah, but he's like, they're too slow, man. I know, he's like, these guys are too slow, fuck it. He gave us a dirty look. Good, it's all the accident off. I don't know if it's open, bro. Why? I thought he was gonna get some beer. Dude, come over here. Go get some beer. I'm at the house. Go to the back of the house. You see that big house? I know, I see you guys, but... Dude, just come over here. Get some beer. Beer's over here. Yeah, that beer good, y'all. Do you want to... They normally sell food in there, but I don't know why it's not open. Oh. Yeah. Unless it is open.
Guys.
What?
I've never seen these ones before.
Oh.
Holy shit. Those just look fun.
Yeah, they're just kids' bite.
Hey.
I mean, we're not that tall, so we have to... Yeah.
Walking sucks.
Yeah.
getting around with wheels is awesome.
Yeah. Cool, yeah.
Cheers, sir. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, bro.
What, yep.
I don't know why, but this tastes so good. Yeah. Sure, you know.
It's kind of like it, huh?
It's kind of like lemon taste. Yeah, I'm not sure you had this summer shandy. Pretty sure you had this.
I don't remember, yeah.
I think it's 5.5.
Almost, yeah. How much is that? Percentage?
5.5?
How come I can't taste it?
Yo.
4.9.
Oh, yeah, 4.9. Yeah.
Oh,
Regular.
Dude, let's go.
5.5, right?
Yo. Treehouse.
Yeah, who that is?
How many batteries y'all got? Come on.
4 bars. Yeah.
Let's say I got 4.
Man, fuck you guys. Yeah, I got 3.
No, our status, I mean, our screen shows 5.
So I got okay, you guys got 5
yeah,
bars, huh?
Yeah, 5 bars.
Oh, okay. No wonder.
So we over here chilling.
Let's climb the treehouse.
Someone about to go to a treehouse. I feel like a kid again, dude.
Dude, let's go.
Tracing the outline of our bitter last goodbyes. One cool night, hinulaki butsaw.ใจหายเสียดายสิ้นสุดกันแล้วหรือเขาอ้อนวอนเท่าใดเจ้าก็บอกกับอ้อนคืน ที่คอยลือว่าเจ้าเป็นอื่นไปแล้วปลูกกุหลาบฟ้าไว้เพื่อเจ้า9,999 ดอกบ่งบอกความจริงที่ยิ่งใหญ่บ่งบอกว่าใจเขายังคงมันพันปีเดือนวันบ่เคยนายฟ้าดินสลายหัวใจมันฮักเจ้าRain is dancing on the cold concrete. I'm searching for your love on every empty street. 1,000 faces, but I'm looking for the one. A dying fire when the damage has been done. I'm just a silhouette against the velvet sky, watching the color of our love begin to die. Like a blue rose growing through these concrete cracks. I'm moving forward, but I'm always looking back. เห็นกุหลาบกี่พลุเศร้าใจหายเสียดายสิ้นสุดกันแล้วหรือเขาอ้อนวอนเท่าใดเจ้าก็บอกกับวนคืนก็ที่คอยลือว่าเจ้าเป็นหนึ่งไปแล้ว Did you lose your way ปลูกกุหลาบฟ้าไว้เพื่อเจ้า9,999 ดอกบ่งบอกความจริงที่ยิ่งใหญ่บ่งบอกว่าใจก็ยังคงมันหันปีเดือนวันบ่เคยนายฟ้าดินสลายหัวใจมันหักเจ้า
No, you need to go to boost up the alcohol, though.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, that comes here. Go on, sorry, go on.
你不要后边大便好顺序。
Hey, I take a little hit, bro. Oh, never mind. Stop, let's go. Look at it.
Shit, it's got a cool breeze under here, y'all.
Yeah.
你去爽了。
All the times that we ever would be.
Yeah, let's do it, dude.
Hopefully we'll see the picture later.
Yeah. Every day that
Hey, go ahead,
I
yeah.
by my side.
I already record everything.
Oh
yeah? Yeah. My GoPro.
You put it in the battery on?
Yeah.
Alright.
But I don't know how long it's gonna last. I still got 90%. I guess look better. No, don't y'all.
13 miles, not bad.
Yep, you're right. I got 13.2. Oh shit, 我就摸得放懂了。What? Are you sweating? Actually, oh, the air? Oh, because it cools down, right? Oh. Right here, we just passed Lake Nokomis. Oh shit, my bad, bro. My bad, bro. I didn't see it. I should have looked. I should have looked before I did that. Should have drive anyways. I don't want anybody to spill me. Sure. Oh, John. Shit, I'm getting a nice tan. Yeah, that bike looks clean as hell, bro. the GT. That's like a showstopper, dude. Yeah. Like people, they stop and look at it like, hey, I remember that bike when I was young. Oh, I see a little rust in the front. Yeah. But you got polish that out. Yeah. Oh, you put it in the garage? Yeah. When you put it in the garage, put it on top of something. Not on top of the cement, but like a piece of wood or like a piece of fabric or something. Oh, yeah? Yeah, because the moisture comes from the concrete. Oh, yeah, because it gets so cold, right? Yep, yep. Well, unless you hang it. Yeah. What? How many more do you have left? Yeah, how do you Let's wait for Paul. Hey, let's stay over here and let them go past us. Yeah, we catch up. Never good. Yep, there you go. There's somebody behind you. Fire up. Wait.
糟糕的风险，
来了。
要比风险，一切超可见。
Hey, look behind you. Oh shit, I didn't see that. Actually, there. She can't find the door. Oh, yep. Don't say call him. They say it's 10 miles per hour only. Hey, hold on. That's deep? No wonder it's like too deep.
So be forgiven, yeah.
I don't know. Yeah. I did very long. The sandwiches. I did the burgers. Yeah. Should we just find a table? A good one? Let me check. Hey, let's go chill over there, bro. Let's go chill at the table over here. 快点毛蟹，还有毛蟹。I don't blame you, man.
You guys biking?
I know.
18 miles. Not bad. Halfway, yeah.
Yeah. Down for sure. But
Last time we went back that way, we had road construction.
but we found a way.
And we had to go through it and cut around the block. And loop back around.
Let's stay back by here. But we
เป็น
see
ยังไงล่ะเบ้อ
cái bỏ rồi bay phải roll really bay go let's stay by there.
Oh, there was a dude, remember? We had told him to fire. We should live there. Oh, fuck it. I ain't trying to turn back.
Nobody's gonna enforce
I
it.
think that yeah, I think that's something more quiet. It's been longer. I'm sure.
Bây giờ cái gì mỗi nha.
Chỗ tôi là map của mình ôi.
Oh, yeah, look, hey, see that guy over there? He's just floating on air, dude.
Oh, one of the subway thing.
But he's not going up and down. He's just cruising. He's not going up and down. I think it's a motor. Yeah, motor. Okay, yeah. I've never seen those before.
Yeah, they got a little thing in the water.
Yeah, that's dope. That's fun.
There's a lot.
No, that's Old Beach. Yeah, that's the.
That's what we're back to.
Yeah. And across that is the Naked Beach.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Hey, West Coast.
Yeah. That's pretty photogenic right there.
Yeah, I think they're doing like slow that's the same spot.
Oh, really? Let's keep going, dude. 这样的礼拜高哟。Hey, that's outside. Yeah. Actually, we go under the bridge? Yeah, they was on the bridge. Just keep going. Behind you. Up, up vậy nha. It's holding on. It's legal, man. Yeah, keep going. Halo, go ahead, bro. Halo. Huh? Yeah, it's annoying. Yeah, đi rồi. We going down, right? Hello, let's go over. Hello, come over. Let's stay on the bridge. Stay on the bridge for a little bit.
Still keep distance from the fake and the devils. Fuck all the haters, they ain't real like us. Fuck all the hoes, only chasing the bucks. Woo! As soon as you shine, everybody show love. But where was y'all?
Shit, I had my light on all this time.
Got a gang, and we don't know nothing. Too many. Every step is a fight. พยายามจีบเคลียร์ก็ทนใช้ได้ชีอยู่ต่อปีนูนองเที่ยวมัวตากี
Sì, non mi butto la pesciata. Mi hanno una bella If we went full all day, we would have been out battery.
Yeah.
I don't know about you, but we was cool.
I'm gonna try to make it last all the way. So next time I have to think too bad. Solid on.
Long time too. Yeah, all the time, dude. I have a little bike, I have like a little bucket that I have all my bike stuff in. Good, bro.
After a while, your palm is
Yeah, my fucking shit started hurting, like feels like blistered.
yeah.
Yeah.
It makes your arm tired too because your arm feels more all that vibration.
My fucking I think my backpack is cutting my blood cycle right here. Dude, my arm started hurt right here.
I don't know how you guys can do with the backpack, man. Woo.
I think I need to just do this. I wonder how far does it go? Like if you keep going.
I think
Does it go too far?
yeah, you either get back on Eastwood Road or go toward Minneapolis St. Paul.
East River Road.
Yeah.
That's all the way over by Minneapolis, right?
The Westwood Road.
The Mississippi Trail, right? Yeah, okay. Is that still considered East River Road? Or
I can call you.
I don't even know.
West.
I don't even know that street is called.
Yeah, I can go to West.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
But yeah, my bike doesn't name down there.
I think there's a name. I keep forgetting. It's like Mississippi Road or something. And then the other side is I forgot.
Yeah.
See you guys on the other side. There's 3 lanes. Which one we go? Always go in the middle lane. We are 22 miles. We're about 22 miles right now. At this point, we'll make it. Yep. But not yesterday. Yeah. They might drink tall, yeah. Hell yeah. Let's catch up. out there. Last time we were out there. But they're open now. 지금 올라와서. Charlotte. Fuck, dude, it's gonna be the hardest right now, man. Hella blue. Yo, if you was like, is it gonna rain? I know. You don't look over here, it's all blue, so blue. Look to your left, dude, it's all blue. Dude. No problem. 쟤 너무 빡빡 그져요. Right, huh? 너무 빡빡 그져요. Have you been over here before? They closed it down. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, we did come over here. Okay, look, close it back up. Yeah, you're right. You want to move up there? No? That's about. Someone said that. I don't know if it's true or not. That's what I heard. Someone say that. You think they want to go around though? Maybe it's a little one. You want to check him out? You're like, little one. You didn't see nobody up there? I didn't look. I looked. I saw somebody like, on top of the bridges. Damn. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I was looking at him. I was looking at him and stand up and look. Oh. I don't know. Oh, no. Oh, no. But, yeah. Could be. Yeah. I wish I would have saw him. Tôi bên đó. Tôi bên đó. Dạ bên đó thì còn. Go fast. Alright, so we rest it for a bit. 하기는 너무 의외. 하기는 너무 의외. 아, 나도. There's a bridge that go over that thing on that side.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's the guy behind us. I don't know, they don't know. Yo. I don't know. Is that still considered a fight? Oh yeah? Watch out, bro. Yeah, I still got 3 bars. Should we go more? Should we go people in? Alright, yeah. I think it's about Come on, Joe. Take it, sir. I thought they called it 7. Oh. Oh, hell hot. Do you want to go? Alright, guys. Thanks for making today happen, man. Especially you, Bone. Yeah. That'd be a good workout. Yeah, it's too hot. Alright. too fucking hot, bro. Shit, man. Yo, I'm surprised. Yeah, well. Oh, yeah, I got it, bro. Yep, I got a wrap for it. I ain't trying to lift this shit. This shit's heavy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ăn đấy.
I think I got it, bro.
Ok.